news. It is 16.7 degrees and it's about 9 o'clock. Yup.
We're in double figures.
Yup.
Holy crap.
Woo woo woo!
Makes me happy.
And we're in short sleeves, shorts. And the sun is out and the views are good. It's a bit, yeah. So you just want to introduce yourself as you're riding?
Hi, my name's Amit from Team Virgin, and I was just saying to Katie, after day 3, after some of the monstrous hill climbs, I went into day 4 emotionally broken, and riding with a solid bunch of riders who are waiting for you at the top of the next hill almost powered me through. And to make it through the full 90 miles was magnificent, especially finishing off with the team. It was a happy moment.
You did so well. It's like Matt was saying the same thing, that everyone's support is just amazing.
Yeah, and even though it was 2 a.m. in London, I still phoned home to say personal best, guys.
Yes!
Personal best, yeah.
Oh, well done so much. And it's nice and flat today, look. Nice flat riding.
Yay!
Nice bit of recovery. Yes, flat riding! Yeah. Woo! Woo, woo, woo!
Good job, Virgin.
It's only 5 miles from flying.
But that's just me all over though. I'm just.
So we're just in this beautiful backdrop and we just wanted to talk a bit honestly and candidly that even though we've got like this beautiful backdrop, there are a few problems in camp.
It's causing us some issues.
There are a few issues in camp. So everyone's
It's at least it's kind of making us go a little bit faster. I think.
We all look like we've got little like round baby bellies because they're full of air.
So for the last like 4 days, we've been at altitude of above about 2,000 constantly. Even though we've been going down, we've constantly been 2,000 meters. And so we've all just got really like bloated stomachs.
And as soon as you start descending, everyone has to stop to let it go. Tension go.
I think as well, like all the food we've been eating as well, like the carbs and the protein. I can tell mine are protein because of the smell.
And we've had like 4 days of being constantly
up and down
altitude.
I know.
And then we've all had like altitude coughs. We've all just been like
so dry,
like snotty noses.
And like I had so my arms and legs must have been swollen yesterday because I had like parts where my arm warmers were dug in and my socks were dug in. Like I just swollen
like the Michelin
everywhere.
Man, sort of like cycling on a bike.
And all of a sudden everything feels so loose today.
But then I guess it's first world problems because look at where we are.
As long as it didn't ride into me, I'm fine.
Matt is taking it to extreme levels for the gram.
We will take you way down.
Hey, see ya! Outside! So this right here, right now, is exactly how I wanted it to be. Like smooth, well not very smooth, but open, clear roads. Sun on our arms. Dancing with these guys. Oh, it's just, this is like ultimate bliss. Like ultimate bliss. I don't think I could get any happier than I am right in the second. Like just look. Oh, so happy. Are you happy? Woo! Come on Al! Come on Al! Get in! Yes, girl! This is ultimate bliss. I know you hear me like screaming and shouting them, but like this is just this is why I love riding my bike. I say it all the time, but just with my friends, just singing, riding bikes, amazing views, amazing weather. I honestly could not be happier right now. I am so grateful to be here. Thank you so much, Tim. But amazing, 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 amazing day, amazing day. Right, I've seen a little bit. I'm gonna go back and sing some more songs and just ride my bike and enjoy it, because that's what it's all about. Get on your bike today, go and ride your bike, enjoy it, ride with your buddies, have fun on your bikes. Matt said earlier, he was just saying when we were taking photos, we were just playing on our bikes. He's like, God, this is just like playing on your bike. I'm like, yes, that's what it should be. Play on your bike with your mates like you're a kid, and your happiness will just skyrocket. Yes! Right, see you later. We've been talking about cold coat for ages. How excited are you for this?
Surprise, I'm drinking it.
That's the best way to get your sunglasses when it's...
Well, I've got no pockets.
What we're going to do...
What's that? Hang on. Right, okay, can do it one-handed.
Slow-mo.
Say when.
Let me get a nice view behind. Right, hang on.
That casino, you're not allowed to have casinos in California unless you've been to
It's basically like a Nutella, but vegan as well.
You've got your own police and everything, Indian police.
Is it good?
So good.
That's so good. So noticing your flag. California! We've left California. Well done, buddy.
No, well done to you, darling. Well done. It's been amazing riding with you today.
And
so
you.
much fun.
Yay! Woo, woo, woo! Let's get some food.